Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us. Anxiety, that constant feeling of worry, that pit in your stomach, the racing thoughts that keep you up at night. And more importantly, what can I do about it? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Our body is reacting to a psychological threat as if it's a physical one, and it gets stuck in that high alert mode. We're constantly bombarded with information, pressure to succeed, and the highlight reels of everyone else's perfect lives on social media. This creates a cycle of comparison and a feeling of not being good enough. Plus, think about our basic needs. Are you getting enough sleep? That afternoon coffee might feel like it's helping you push through, but it can actually spike your cortisol and leave you feeling jittery and anxious later on. Then there's the big one, avoidance. When something makes us anxious, our natural instinct is to avoid it. Afraid of public speaking, you turn down the presentation. Anxious in social situations. But in the long run, avoidance is like pouring gasoline on the fire of your anxiety. Every time you avoid something, you're teaching your brain, yes, that thing is dangerous, and I am not capable of handling it. Your world gets smaller and smaller, and your anxiety gets bigger and bigger. The fear grows in the space you create by avoiding it. So, we've talked about the why. Now, for the most important part, the how. By simply naming and allowing the sensation, you take away its power. When you're anxious, your breathing becomes shallow and rapid. You can do this anywhere, anytime you feel that wave of anxiety starting to build. It's your personal, portable reset button. The goal is to slowly and safely face the things you fear, proving to your brain that you can handle them. If you're afraid of social situations, don't force yourself to go to a huge party. Then, next week, you try making small talk. Each small victory builds your confidence and rewires your brain's fear response. Anxious thinking is often full of cognitive distortions, things like where you imagine the worst-case scenario, or black and white thinking. When you have an anxious thought, like I'm going to fail this presentation and everyone will think I'm an idiot, stop and question it. I'll do my best, and that's all I can do. If your anxiety is severe and impacting your daily life, seeking help is a sign of incredible strength, not weakness. So let's recap the key strategies. Accept the feeling without judgment. By understanding where it comes from and using these practical strategies, you can start to change your relationship with it. It's a journey, not an overnight fix.